Hi, welcome to Keylink's Grotto. Today I'm going to take you through how to make these lovely bonbons, which are cranberry, Cointreau and lime. So for this Christmas cocktail chocolate, I'll be using dried cranberries, lime, cinnamon, orange spice and Cointreau. First of all, you want to blend your cranberries to a coarse paste. It's important that you do this so they have nice small spits to go into your chocolate and you're able to pipe them out of your piping bag. You can add some Cointreau to this if your cranberries are quite dry and not blitzing up. So as you can see, there's quite a coarse cranberry paste there. Next, you want to add any remaining Cointreau to your cream. Once your cream's boiled, you want to take that off the heat. Wants to reach around 65 degrees before putting over your chocolate. So now you want to add your flavorings, so the orange and the lime and the cinnamon. You only need to use a small amount of these as they are extremely strong. So once your flavorings are added, you want to use your stick blender to make your ganache. You want to make sure all your cream's well blended in there. So once you've made the ganache and it's all well mixed in, you want to add your cranberries. So as you can see, the cranberries there are quite coarse and chunky. This will give some nice nibbly bits within your ganache. So, on to preparing the moulds. Here I'm using varying techniques and colours. I'm using orange with a toothbrush and splattering it in. Next I'm using red and a toothbrush to splatter in. You do really want to make sure that each layer of cocoa butter is drying before you apply the next. So I'm just painting green in specific areas on the mould, avoiding the other colours. So now you just want to clean off your mould ready for your chocolate. Now that your mould is nice and clean and your cocoa butter is set off, you can fill with your tempered white chocolate. I'm using the Karma Noir Blanche here. It's extremely fine chocolate. It's really smooth in the mouth and a good palate cling. So turning out the chocolate there, you want to make sure you save that for capping. Once your shells have dried out, they can be filled with your ganache. As you can see, the nice little lumps of cranberry in there. So once you've filled all your shells and the ganache is set, you can go on to the capping. So capping them off here, I like to go every other row and then use a sheet of plastic. This helps to limit the amount of chocolate that I use and it sort of helps to keep things nice and clean. So after letting my chocolates crystallise and set for a few hours, we turn out and there you go. Voila, your Christmas cocktail chocolates.